In this video, our focus will be on demonstrating how to install and utilize the XFConnect program. It is important to note that you will always need XFConnect running while using your ExpressFlex device. To download XFConnect, head to taylorshirtreat.com. Head to the top of the home page and click on Support. Next, click Download XFConnect and open the program installer. Navigate the installer, selecting the appropriate boxes. Once XFConnect is installed, make sure it is running by locating it in the system tray. If it is not initially visible, you can also click the arrow to expand your system tray. If your ExpressFlex light is showing dark blue, this means it is receiving power but XFConnect is not yet running. Once XFConnect is started, the device will then turn yellow. This means the device is gathering information from XFConnect. Lastly, the device will turn green. This means XFConnect is successfully running and you are ready to start testing. To check that your XFConnect program is up to date, right-click on the icon in the system tray and select Check for Updates or Update Firmware. To learn more about your current version of XFConnect, click About. This will show you the XFConnect version, data version, and your device serial number. Now that XFConnect is installed and running, you are ready to begin water sampling.